Hey, WheelSnipeSelly here. It is Wednesday, March 8th, 2023, day 3 of the Drawdown Challenge. Um, we have so it's right around past noon, and I'm taking an entry into this fair value gap after a short market structure shift on the 30-second time frame, and just looking for try to get a quick 5 handle, maybe a little bit more. So I have noted up there relative equal highs. So I think that's unfinished business here, and looking like we're finding some support at the new week opening gap. So you can see how the candles kind of respected that. So that was my logic for kind of going in on this one. We also stopped, right at that order block from a little bit over to the left, and so we're basically entered. I have my take profit 1 and then a take profit 2 up there above 50%. So I'm seeing like a micro market structure shift on the dollar. So that's kind of helped me with my influence on this one, on why I took this. So it just kind of pushed down through that fair value gap, and this one's gonna tag me out. So we're tagged out right there. So this is shortly after I went short at the new week opening gap, looking for it to. We already went halfway down to the lower new week opening gap at 39.76. So I went short there, looking for it to kind of finish the business by going lower. So I also entered in one additional contract short, but it's just kind of hanging around here. So this is the high resistance liquidity run here. We're getting a little bit of movement. I have my first take profit at 39.82 and a quarter, and then I have my terminus will be down at the bottom of the new week opening gap. So we got tagged out with our first profit there. And you can see I have sell side there, consequent encroachment of that wick. So we went up and touched that fair value gap again. And I'll kind of note the consequent encroachment of the wicks. So this all, was going according to plan here. So I have the take profit 2 at 39.76 and a half. It went up and tagged the consequent encroachment of that wick. I'm just noting that volume imbalance right there. We're tagged out for take profit 2. And then terminus is at 39.74, basically the bottom of that new week opening gap. And I did move my stop loss down to better than break even for this one. So right now, at the end of this trade, the account is over the kind of starting drawdown. We're at plus 412. And then so this is the last trade that I took of the day. I wanted to see this go take the low of the day. So we had a break in market structure. I went short on this fair value gap. It went up and tagged that volume imbalance and then rejected. So that was what I was wanting to see. This is really choppy price action. This was kind of exhausting being in this trade. So we went down to the new week opening gap. It wasn't at my 5 handles, so I didn't take anything off. But we'll see. I end up adding one more on that volume imbalance. When you can see my target down at 39.71. So I had a target down there because I was looking at dollar, and dollar had a higher time frame buy side that I was expecting it to take out. So we just entered in the last hour macro, and you're going to see here that it's going to go down and touch the consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap, and it just basically stopped dead in its tracks right there. That would have been a good place to take off. You can see I put my check mark there a little bit prematurely, but this started to move against me, and I didn't close the trade. I was kind of seeing if it was going to end up going to my target, but it ended up tagging me out. But anyways, thanks for watching.